Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your banned OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the app installed, you can open the app or else you can go to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the OkCupid official website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can see this kind of interface after you are logged in. If your account is banned, you may or may not get access to your account, but you still have access to your account and you want to delete your banned account, you can go up to your profile. Here you can see the profile section at the top right corner, tap on it. Now select the settings option from here. Once you're in your profile section, now scroll down to the bottom. Over here you can see this link of Go Here. It will prompt you to the page where you can delete your account, so tap on this link, tap on next. You can give you a reason why you want to delete your account. It will ask you a set of questions. You can answer accordingly. Now here, you will see two different options whether to disable or delete your account. In order to permanently delete your account, you need to select this delete my account option. And now you can tap on this delete button at the bottom. So that's it. That's how you can easily delete your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.